Simple and best. English.
Hi friends, welcome back. Today you will practice 30 commonly used does that questions.
For each question, you will practice one positive answer and one negative answer.
By listening carefully and saying each line out loud, you can understand the pattern and master asking and answering does that questions in English. Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Does that work for you?
Yes, it does. That works for me.
Does that work for you?
No, it doesn't. I need another option.
Does that sound good?
Yes, it does. That sounds good.
Does that sound good?
No, it doesn't. That doesn't sound good to me.
Does that sound okay?
Yes, it does. That sounds okay.
Does that sound okay?
No, it doesn't. I'm not sure about that.
Does that make sense?
Yes, it does. That makes sense.
Does that make sense?
No, it doesn't. I don't understand it clearly.
Does that help?
Yes, it does. That helps a lot.
Does that help?
No, it doesn't. That doesn't really help.
Does that matter?
Yes, it does. That matters.
Does that matter?
No, it doesn't. That is not a big problem.
Does that seem fair?
Yes, it does. That seems fair.
Does that seem fair?
No, it doesn't. That doesn't seem fair.
Does that seem right?
Yes, it does. That seems right.
Does that seem right?
No, it doesn't. Something feels wrong.
Does that look okay?
Yes, it does. That looks okay.
Does that look okay?
No, it doesn't. That doesn't look right.
Does that look good?
Yes, it does. That looks good.
Does that look good?
No, it doesn't. That looks a bit strange.
Does that look better?
Yes, it does. That looks better.
Does that look better?
No, it doesn't. The first one looked better.
Does that look expensive?
Yes, it does. That looks expensive.
Does that look expensive?
No, it doesn't. It looks affordable.
Does that look new?
Yes, it does. That looks new.
Does that look new?
No, it doesn't. It looks old.
Does that feel normal?
Yes, it does. That feels normal.
Does that feel normal?
No, it doesn't. That feels unusual.
Does that feel better?
Yes, it does. That feels better.
Does that feel better?
No, it doesn't. It still feels the same.
Does that mean yes?
Yes, it does. That means yes.
Does that mean yes?
No, it doesn't. That does not mean yes.
Does that mean no?
Yes, it does. That means no.
Does that mean no?
No, it doesn't. That does not mean no.
Does that mean we are late?
Yes, it does. That means we are late.
Does that mean we are late?
No, it doesn't. We still have time.
Does that mean it is canceled?
Yes, it does. That means it is canceled.
Does that mean it is canceled?
No, it doesn't. It is still happening.
Does that mean it is finished?
Yes, it does. That means it is finished.
Does that mean it is finished?
No, it doesn't. It is not finished yet.
Does that mean we can start?
Yes, it does. That means we can start.
Does that mean we can start?
No, it doesn't. We need to wait.
Does that mean we can go?
Yes, it does. That means we can go.
Does that mean we can go?
No, it doesn't. We need to stay here.
Does that mean I need to pay?
Yes, it does. That means you need to pay.
Does that mean I need to pay?
No, it doesn't. You don't need to pay.
Does that mean it costs extra?
Yes, it does. That means it costs extra.
Does that mean it costs extra?
No, it doesn't. There is no extra cost.
Does that include delivery?
Yes, it does. That includes delivery.
Does that include delivery?
No, it doesn't. Delivery costs extra.
Does that include breakfast?
Yes, it does. That includes breakfast.
Does that include breakfast?
No, it doesn't. Breakfast is not included.
Does that come with a warranty?
Yes, it does. That comes with a warranty.
Does that come with a warranty?
No, it doesn't. It doesn't come with a warranty.
Does that come in another color?
Yes, it does. That comes in another color.
Does that come in another color?
No, it doesn't. That is the only color.
Does that come in a bigger size?
Yes, it does. That comes in a bigger size.
Does that come in a bigger size?
No, it doesn't. That is the biggest size.
Does that come in a smaller size?
Yes, it does. That comes in a smaller size.
Does that come in a smaller size?
No, it doesn't. That is the smallest size.
Well done, everyone! You did a great job practicing today's lesson.
Small steps like this will help you improve your English, so keep practicing.
If this lesson was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Simple and Best English.
Thank you for practicing with us today. Your support helps us create more simple English lessons for you. So, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.